What's up, guys? It's your friend RyeOnPC here. Hope everybody's having a good day. I know I am. It is about 9:30 in the morning right now, and I just got done reading some comments on DeviantArt. A lot of good support for my latest skins, NuMenu, NuSide, and WinPanels. One of the questions that I'd had, somebody had asked me, was if I'm going to be creating additional game images for, I believe it was NuMenu, NuSide, and it got me thinking. And honestly, no, I don't. I won't be. I don't plan on updating and adding additional games for those skins, or even for my newer skins. It's it might just take a little bit extra time, but I think the best way to make everybody happy would be rather than just continuously providing updates and using more and more time. Um, it might just be better to make a tutorial. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to create and edit your own game images for NuMenu, NuSide, and for WinPanels. Before I get started, I obviously want to tell you how I'm going to be performing this. I'm using one program, and it'll be Paint.net. If you're not familiar with Paint.net, it is a free photo editing software or image editing software, um, independent of Microsoft Paint. It's not the same thing, but it has the ability to do layers, it has the ability to do all kinds of things. And the main function that we're going to be using in it today will be cropping, and that's really all you're going to need to know. Um, so without further ado, I'll get started. Um, what I'll be showing you today is simply creating a new game image from one of my template game images. So what you'll need to do first is locate the resources folder, in whether it's WinPanels or NuMenu, NuSide, and then go into the games folder and open up an image, whether it's any one of these games really, and drag it into Paint.net. I'll have a link below for Paint.net, so if you're following along and you're performing this as I do, feel free to pause it, download it, get it installed, and once you're ready, feel free to resume. If you've already got it installed, great. Follow along with me, and I think you'll find that'll be really easy. So once you have your image opened in Paint.net, this is again just going to be used as a template. You'll need to go out, find the image that you want to use. So I actually don't play the new Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, but I'm going to make the image for it, because why not? Just to show you how to do it. So what I've done is I've gone online already and I've researched and found a good image that I want to use for the Black Ops Cold War cover that I'm going to be using in my theme. I'm going to select this one here because it doesn't have any type. I've noticed that if you have type over the image where you're wanting it, it's hard to read, or it becomes too large and it doesn't say the whole title. So I'm going to start by copying this image here, put that down, and then I'm going to paste it here. It's going to ask you if you want to expand or keep the canvas size. We need to keep the canvas size because down here at the bottom, this is the size it needs to be. It needs to be 53 by 122. So I'm going to click on Keep Canvas Size. I'm going to drag the image over here. I'm going to scale it down by grabbing this corner, and I'm going to hold Shift to maintain the aspect ratio, so that way it doesn't stretch or skew. Drag it over a little bit more. Keep holding Shift when I scale it, and then I think that's about right there. So once I'm done, I'm going to hit Enter, and I'm pretty much done. I'm going to save as. See here, COD BO CW for Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. Save. Okay. And then over here, here's our new image. Here's our game. So we're done here. I'm going to switch you over to my other monitor, and we're going to perform this in live time so you can see how it works. So over here, I've got my WINPANELS, as you can see. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to Edit Games. Change this unused here. Actually, I'm going to change this. We're going to change Battlefield 4. I'm going to change this to COD, BOCW. Make sure whatever you name this here is what you named this here. Your image must be the same as whatever your game title is. You'll also be doing a shortcut, which I won't be going into detail on that. But as long as your image follows, then you're good. So once you're done with that, file save. I'm going to close it down. Now you're going to check this, click this check here. That's going to say that you're done. And immediately once you click it, it'll refresh. And boom, there's your Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. Really, like I said, very simple. As you can tell, it is a button overlay. So like you can see that it has a hover effect. That's all done with this overlay image right here. So as long as you don't mess with that, you're good. As long as you don't, manipulate this overlay file, it's a very basic process. You just open up the image you want, and then, paste it into a template. Whether it's, a game that you've already made or one that I've provided you with, that's fine. But really, as long as you have the 53 by 122 and you're comfortable with the scale, then you're good. Make sure you update it in the games and apps config file, and you're done. So if you have any questions, I would love to hear them. And any comments, please leave a comment or question below. I want to also thank anybody who has supported my themes by viewing and downloading them. It means a lot. Anybody who comments on my themes, provide feedback, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Look forward to updating more and providing more themes in the future, and providing more updates and fixing bugs. So again, thank you, and I hope this tutorial helps you a lot, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you very much.